Hi, I'm Mike Arms. I'm the president of Helen Woodward Animal Center, and welcome to this year's glorious fling, the Kit Kat Club.
Tonight is the night that animal lovers throughout San Diego look forward to all year long. It's the 24th annual Spring Fling Gala for the Helen Woodward Animal Center. Now, this incredible black tie affair attracts hundreds and hundreds of people to their beautiful Rancho Santa Fe campus. Not only are there people guests here, but there are tons of adorable animals, kittens, puppies, stuff to warm your heart and hopefully get people to volunteer and donate money to this incredible organization. Let's go take a look at what's going on inside.
This is our 24th annual Spring Fling Gala, and tonight's theme is the Kit Kat Club. So I've been calling it a Great Gatsby theme, kind of Great Gatsby, Roaring 20s. Later on tonight we'll have the Sensation Show Band playing, and there'll be lots of great dancing. We'll have our silent auction. We've got some really fun auction items, like we have a Grammy trip that's going to be very exciting. Lots of people are going to be bidding on that. And then even later we have casino gaming going on. This is the first year that we have casino gaming, so that's going to be a lot of fun for everybody.
This year, there are more than 20 different restaurants that have set up all throughout the Great Tent with an incredible display of food. We're talking Poseidon, the Fish Market, Old Venice, Cafe Merlot, and even a little bit of sweets from Cupcake Love. If you get some time, you definitely want to go around and check out the beautiful spread that everyone's going to be enjoying tonight in the main tent.
So this is Helen Woodward Animal Center's 24th Spring Fling Gala, our black tie event that raises money to provide care for orphan animals and the wonderful programs we offer to the community: therapeutic horseback riding, our pet encounter therapy, humane education, our Animals program for homebound seniors, and all the wonderful ways that we reach out to bring animals and people together. We have about 3,000 animals that find homes through Helen Woodward every single year, and we've got here tonight some adoptable puppies, and they are available to go to loving homes, and we are very happy to be able to share them with our guests and hopefully see that some of them find homes with some of these great folks.
This year it's been very exciting. We started in January. We've got a great committee, and as you can see, the end result is a gorgeous, beautiful party of the year. People helping animals and animals helping people. That's what it's all about.
My name is John Riley. I'm the president of SeaWorld San Diego. I'm so happy to be here at the Helen Woodward Animal Center at the Spring Gala. SeaWorld first began a partnership with the Helen Woodward Animal Center around our program called Pet Tales, where people that come to the Helen Woodward Animal Center and adopt an animal actually receive a admission to SeaWorld as part of their welcoming package with their animal. And at SeaWorld, we thought that was important because we really believe in the work that's done here at the center, and we thought any incentive we could give to a family looking to adopt a pet would be a benefit to the animals here.
The most important thing I look forward to tonight is seeing old friends and hearing about their pets and hearing about their family. I don't get to see them enough, so I always look forward to this night where I can get caught up. You know, to see all of these volunteers, to see all of these supporters, these donors, these great friends of animals and people, I feel very blessed to be here in San Diego and having all of these people care so much about us. We wouldn't be able to save the amount of lives that we save. We wouldn't be able to help the number of children that we help. We wouldn't be able to do any of the things that we do to enhance the quality of life for people and animals without the support of the community.